Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen during a WhatsApp video call using your computer. A lot of people use WhatsApp on mobile, but the desktop app also allows you to make video calls and even share your screen. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp desktop application on your computer. Go to any chat where you want to make a video call. At the top right, you'll see the video call icon. Just click on it to start your call directly from your computer. Once the video call starts, move your mouse on the call window. A small menu will appear on the screen. Here, you will see a screen share button. Click on it, and WhatsApp will show you different windows or screens that are currently open on your computer. Choose the one you want to share and confirm your selection. After that, your screen will immediately be visible to the other person. You can show them your browser, documents, photos, or anything else you want. This feature is really useful for helping someone, giving a quick presentation, or explaining something clearly. And that's it. This is how you can easily share your screen during a WhatsApp video call using your computer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.